नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्. Sri Krishna then took leave of Vidura and went to visit Kunti. Separately she stayed. सा दृष्ट्वा कृष्णमायान्तं प्रसन्नादित्यवर्चसं कंठे गृहीत्वा प्राक्रोशत् स्मरन्ती तनयान् पृथा. How is she related to Krishna? His aunt, Atta, father's sister. Here was Sri Krishna coming in as if he is the sun, shining like the sun, smiling. Prasannaditya Varchasam, coming in. And here is this lady who is in utter sorrow all the time. She saw Sri Krishna. She ran and kanthe grihitva prakroshat. She went and just hugged him to herself and she wept. She just wept. Smaranti tanayam spritha, remembering her children. She wept. Somehow she managed to control herself and offered him a seat. Sit down. And in a broken voice, in her utter breakdown, confusion, sorrow, depression, she just poured out her woe to him. Oh Krishna, how could this be happening? How could all this be happening to my noble sons? My children who have been deprived of their father even from their childhood. And then all this Vanavasam and Agyatavasam and this suffering, my sons, who used to wake up in the palace to the sounds of the music being played, to the chants of the Vedas, in the fine palace beds, sleeping in the forest floor. How could this happen, Sri Krishna? And then she recalls every one of her sons. Yudhishthira was like this, Bhima was like that, Arjuna was like this, Nakula was like that, Sahadevan was like this, and their qualities, and she cries and says, how could this be happening to each of them? Then she says, Sarvaihi putraihi priyatara Draupadi me janardana. And to me, I love more than all my sons. Draupadi is more dear to me. She of supreme auspicious qualities, supreme beauty, she who decided to go with her husbands to the forest and left her sons with the care of the others. She left her own children. Such a renunciation have you seen? How is she? What can be a greater dukkham than what she has faced in life? O Sri Krishna, the only person in Hastinapura whom I respect and adore is Vidura. Others that day that were there in the Sabha were all mute witnesses to the horrible tortures that Draupadi was suffered. O Krishna, how long will my children continue to suffer? What is suffering, Sri Krishna? If there is suffering is due to some karma, some papa that people have done, because of that they have to suffer, then with the end of the suffering, the papa must be over sometime. The suffering has to get over sometime. They have to equalize each other and get over. Should they not get happiness now? Oh, it is my sorrow, it is my bhagyam, Sri Krishna. Even as a child, my bhagyam has been bad. Even as a child, my father gave me in adoption, gave me away. When I was playing with balls and dolls, I was given away in adoption to his friend. Even at that age, I was deceived, she says. She says, even at that age, I was deceived. But then Sri Krishna, oh Krishna, when Arjuna was born, Akashavani announced that he will defeat the Kauravas and regain the rulership of the earth. He will bring happiness back to me. Akashavani has announced when Arjuna was born. If there is such a thing as dharma, then Sri Krishna, you will ensure the truth of that Akashavani. Until I see Arjuna victorious, I will not get peace. 14 years I have not seen my children. It is as good as if I am dead for them and they are dead for me. Like that it has been. Krishna, tell my sons that the reason a Kshatriya lady gives birth to children, to sons, tell her the reason that a Kshatriya lady gives birth to sons, the time has come for you all to fulfill that. Put your life at stake, fight and win. Tell them what greater sorrow can be there than what happened to Draupadi. Sri Krishna said, my aunt intervened and said, oh aunt. She said, no, who can be more Durbhagyam than me? He said, oh aunt, surely you are the most fortunate among ladies. You are a Veera Patni. You are a Veera Janani. You are born in one noble family. You are given to another noble family. And then to another noble family. Who can be as fortunate as you? Abhivadayanti bhavati Pandavaha saha Krishnaya. Pandava along with Draupadi convey their pranams to you. Atmanam chakushalinam nivedyahuranayam. And they wanted to convey to you that they are in good health. They are keeping fine. They have no illness, no distress. And oh aunt, my Kunti, you will see them hale and hearty soon. You will see them finish the enemies and regain Rajya Lakshmi. You will see that. And then he does parikrama of Kunti. And he left Duryodhana's house. He reached Duryodhana's house. First day that he did not do business, he only did courtesy calls. That's our way. It's a very typical traditional thing. I remember one of our clients from Australia had come. There was this lady from the client side who came. It was the first time she was coming to India. And I was in charge of that account. It's quite a hits you when you come to India for the first time for a foreign lady. And that too, she came from Australia. She was a South African who went to Australia and she came from there. She came. Anyway, I did my best. Our office ensured that there was a bouquet of flowers waiting for her and all that. Which is, she told me that's the only good thing that happened to her that day. Then she came for the meeting, 10:30, fully charged, 10 o'clock. into the conference room. We were there, she was there. And you know how it is. A lady who is a client and who is in charge, they're tough now. They're tough. It's not easy. She came and she sat down fully charged. So I refused to talk business. First, we'll have tea, we will do this. How was it? There are all of us guys are sitting there. Half an hour, we wasted of hers in just this. No business. How was the flight? The wrong hotel. We'll do this, we'll do that. Do you have some time? Do you think you can go to something else, Ooty? Whatever. 45 minutes, gone. Then she realized that we have not talked business at all. Then she said, this is totally different from Australia. We never do that in Australia. We always talk business. But this is good. This is also good. This is our tradition. First day, let's not talk business. Courtesy call. Krishna is doing only courtesy calls. And he's finished, done with Dhritarashtra's basic welcome. He's seen the houses of Bhishma, Drona and all that. He's been to Vidura, had his kanji, he visited Kunti, and now he's on his way to see Duryodhana. On that note, we will conclude today's session.